Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 X 红。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林集少。Yes, that's Joseph Lin in Hakka, by the way. This entire month, we're teaching you how to say greetings in Hakka. And today, let's focus on one where we haven't seen someone for a long time. We like to say, 其实在英文里面有的时候呢会很直译的，就说 long time no see. 你常听过对不对？
有哦。
其实在美国人他们自己也会这样子用啊 ，long time no see 就是好久不见。对，像这类话，我们今天来教大家用客语怎么讲出来，这样子好不好？
好啊。
就从刚刚讲的嘛，好久不见啊。
很久没看到
哦，哎，这个蛮直接就听得懂哦，就很久没看到了，对不对？
对对对。
哦，很久没看到。
那海陆腔叫很久没看到。
哎，被好像要去撞球了。很久，弄球啊。
但是很久没看到。
Oh, okay, this is a different dialect. Long time no see. And maybe when you see that person, you're gonna say, "Well, how long has it been?" 到底有多久没见面呢？我们有多久没见面了？这样子的话要怎么说呢
？au 几久
？au 什么 au？au
几久
？au 几久？
就是我们有多久？
哦 ，nu 就是我们吗？
对。
哦，听起来好可爱。nu 几久？
没见面嘞。
没见面嘞。
就是
没见面了。
Oh.
Okay, so again, that whole line right there is how long haven't we seen each other? One more time.
nu 几久？
nu 几久？
没见面嘞。
没见面嘞。So you might answer, you know what? It's been almost a year. 可能是快1年没有见面了。那这样的回答又要怎么说呢？
要几年？
要过鬼年了。鬼年
是指整年，就是1年了。对，
鬼年的对吧？
嘿呐，
有的时候用台语去想，有的时候会比较容易连接起来哦。要鬼年，
没见面嘞。
没见面嘞。So that was I haven't seen you in about a year. How about 如果只是大概几个月好了，顺便也教一下，就是比如说5个月好了。
5个月。
怎么又感觉好像是一整年呢？那刚
5个月
一整年是多少？
几年。
哦，是几年。Okay, 几年 is the entire year. But if I just want to say I haven't seen you for 5 months.
5个月。
哦，就是5嘛。
对。
5个月。
没见面喽。
也是没见面喽。All right, that means I haven't seen you in 5 months. Well, there you have it. If you haven't seen someone for a long time, you can say this in Hakka now, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.